What's up, guys? So today we're working on Project 4Banger. We're going to be replacing the sway bar end link here. It has come apart at this joint here. The ball came out of the little socket there. So we're just going to be swapping this out for a new one and kind of show you guys how to do that today. So PB Blaster is going to be your friend. So we're just going to hit it up here with some PB. Hit this whole thing. Let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll start wrenching on it. That was an 18 mil. There we go. It's gonna come loose for us. Okay, now the other side's spinning, so we'll get the there we go. There's a little bit more PB in there. Help us out a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. There we go. Okay. Take that off. Save the washer. There you go. So this is what happened. This came off completely. Off its little mount, came out of there. All right, now for the top guy here. Yeah, 15 will do it. Let's get the breaker bar in there. See if we can bust it loose. Yep, no problem. Getting this out is gonna be a pain. But I'm gonna spray a little bit of PB in there. It's starting to get stiff, I don't wanna break anything. Okay. That bolt is quite warm. So to get this guy off, what I'm gonna try is use a tie rod end puller, or whatever you wanna say. And you slip it on here, and then this guy tightens down. We'll see if this works, if it slips off the end or not. This is probably gonna shoot out pretty quick, so just be ready for that. Alrighty, so I was able to get this guy out by using this tool. I did it off camera. I thought it was gonna take me a while, but I just kind of situated this so it was a little bit almost like an angle to be able to get these 2 feet to kind of grab onto here. And then I just rotated it out, and then it eventually just kind of shot right out. You just need to make sure you get a small enough one that can actually fit over this sway bar so that you can press it out. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little battery terminal cleaner tool and just get it in here and just clean any of the rust that would be in here. So when you put our new part in, it's gonna be nice. We'll go in here a little bit easier and kind of get it into position here. Just kind of tighten that up top here. Grab our bolt. And this guy, raise it up a little bit, slide it through like that, put our washer on it, and get that on here. Okay, so the top bolt supposedly is supposed to be 45 foot-pounds, so set this to 75. All right, that's good. Not bad. You probably don't want to jam it in there, but worked for me. Alrighty, so that's how to replace your sway bar end link on your Jeep TJ. Not too difficult. Like I said, that little special tool you're probably going to need to get this guy out. It's kind of like a press fit thing. And yeah, so anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.